Struggling to create goals and strategies to create that trailblazing career path? Do you want to set long-term targets for yourself, while also helping your company chart a new course? Slide Team brings you a 30-60-90-day plan template that will help grow your business. A 30-60-90-day plan demonstrates your understanding of business dynamics and creates awareness on skills required to bridge gaps in business processes. This content-ready 30-60-90-day plan PPT slide divides your journey towards positive change into 3 stages. Use this 30-60-90-day plan PowerPoint template to obtain an understanding of the projects, processes, and business functions in the first 30 days. Then when you reach 60 days, your endeavor is to set goals and create an action plan to achieve the targets. The last stage of your plan, which is after 90 days, is to reflect on your performance and make any changes to help you keep growing. To prepare yourself fully for any project or task, grab this customizable 30-60-90-day plan PowerPoint template to show your team and managers that you are ready to make a positive impact. Download Slide Team's professional 30-60-90-day plan PowerPoint slide to set goals and outline a course of action to reach greater heights.